If you have a doubt, just ask yourself this question. If not you, then who? If not now, then when? Hi, hope you're all doing good. I really hope you're doing good. 15 days before NEET. So what are the things you need to keep in mind, especially in the final phases of preparation? First and foremost, as you can see, respecting your biological clock. We often take this for granted. We think that sacrificing food and sleep for sake of preparation would enhance the output. But no, the reverse happens. It's going to be detrimental to your preparation if you sacrifice your food and sleep just for sake of preparation. Respect your biological clock. All your senses will work perfectly fine. Most importantly, your memory. It's going to be working tremendously well only when you respect your biological clock. Sleep well, have qualitative sleep, good food, and that will take care of itself. So respect your biological clock, sleep time to time, eat time to time, right? And the second factor which I wanted to highlight is nothing new. Do not go for anything new like new topics or new MCQs. No, nothing new. Just focus on revision in this final phase. So only revision, revision and revision. It's all about strengthening the concepts and reinforcing your memory based on what you have collected for the past few months or few years. So it's all about revision, revision and revision. And you can revise through different formats, either in the form of your notes or in the form of MCQs in your test series or in the form of videos available in e-classes. That's up to you. How you revise, it's completely your choice, but see to that you're focusing only on revision. And then strictly limit your discussion. See, when you start discussing new things or the things which you know, it might affect the other person, or when the other person discusses something new or something which they know, it might start affecting you. So strictly limit your discussions and see to that you are focusing on preparing by self to the maximum extent possible. If you attend one or two discussions once in a day, that's absolutely fine. But if you keep on discussing things with your friends, and that's going to really hamper your preparation. Most importantly, that's going to undermine your confidence. And if at all you are attending any discussions, see to that they are revision oriented. So revision oriented discussions are fine, but if you are discussing new things, new topics, new MCQs, I would strictly say no. Okay, so I'm telling you out of experience and based on my observation, it's up to you, right? And finally, confidence is the key. No matter how much hard work you're poured in, no matter how much consistent you are, if you're not confident, things will not go as per your will and wish. It's going to be a compromise. Do not let that happen. You worked hard, you've been consistent, just believe in yourself. Success starts from self. Just believe in yourself. You're going to have success, not because of chance or because of some external factor, but it will be out of choice. So just believe in yourself. And as I keep on telling you, work hard, work consistently, and most importantly, belief in yourself is going to play the decider, right? So have that confidence, which is very much important, especially in this final phase of your preparation. Take my word, you're going to crack entrance with ease and with confidence, and the world is all yours. And you need any further assistance, or you need any further guidance, you can always get back through mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. And also I'll be creating more and more live sessions which are revision oriented in these final days before NEET exam, and you can all actively participate, and we'll focus on revision of various important points from all subjects as much as possible. So wish you all the best. Love you all.